Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Ha ka banengkong nga penpau ka jing ngungu ka bakrau yau blei. Ha ka baulai alam yang ha ka jing yai lenti ka jonga. Nadu ka khatsau tarik jong banai baladep banai me. Hadu ka negasni ka bamanta. Ka negasni ka bamanta ka dei kasni. Jong ka jing job ka jonga ha ka jing yale. Rengkat ka jing kersyan do bat met bat mensim ka jong pi. Yang ha ki neki kendiat sni ki baladep no. Nga ai ka jing khublei ka ba kyrpang ya pi wei ki ba ai ka jing kersyan ka barat ba ha kam ki jam ki jonga bat nga pen pauro ka jing sngu ka ba krau ya ka seng HYC ka ba pen bet pen biang ya ka jaka tia ka jaka sa ka jaka syong ka jonga khublei shibun kinong yalam jong ka HYC ki balaya rap yang ya ki jing dan kam jonga ban pen biang hakiliang baroh ublei nang karku ya ka seng ka jongpi ba pinang roy sya perang ba pinang la ban yakit ya ba ya ka lengkor yangi ki para khasi para do para senam bat kumjoro nga ai ka jing khublei ka bakarpang ya ka hito ka balaya rap ya ki jing dan kam ki jonga hagi babun bat kumjoro ka kop nang ta ki RBYF nang ngamla ban najer kerteng baroh ki seng ki jong pis ngau bah map yang ngamla banjer kerteng yaki te ka ka bangang aku abanong yapi khublei shibun ublei un kerku yapi ba pinang la ban trei ha ka imlang ka salang ha po ka snong bat ka than ka dong ka jungi ha ka ri bat ka jat ka benriu ka jungi baro ka wei te ka ne ka por ha shua bangin poi ki wei ki benta ban yakren ngas ngau bah ban pentip syapi bana kaliang jong minister uba prestun tensong ula ai yangi ya ka jing dan kam bat ka jing dawa ka jongi kat kum ka jing kwa ka jonga kat kum ka jing dawa ka jonga uba prestun uklam da pen ruam baro ki jing dawa jonga ula ai kane ka dei ka jing kerku ka jong ublei na ka benta ka jing yem ka jonga ha ka ba ki nong yalam jong ka jela ka bai ka jongi kilapan sneu ya ka jing kerpat ka jonga kum ka kentei kum ka long kemi ka bom dan ka bom dan ukhiu ja haying badan ukhiu ja haying ki briu henrei nga pen pau ka jing sngu ya blei bola don rengkat ban nga leng ba ki jing duwai ki bari ki jonga lembat ki jing kersyan ki jong pi ki jing duwai jong pi wei pai wei ha ka ba ki nong yalam ki jongi kilapan snap ya kata ka jing kerpat ka jonga ki jing dawa ki jonga de khanang ba kan de kapor shua ba pintip ya ka jing shisha nga kerpat ya iba kerbong malai bein sngu ba bonwan sha khamat ban pule ya ka ne ka agreement ka jing yatho yatar ka jongi ka jing yakut ka jongi bat u minister jongi nga kerpat ya iba kerbok bein sngu ba bonwan sha khamat
khublei ya tumba kalong no. Sangat khublei tumba kalong. Halo. 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 Halo.
Hello.
Khublei ka kumbakalong. Upgradation of Nongpa Umdan Sanapur Road, length approximate 59 km, is proposed to be taken up under NESIDS roads and PMGSY 3. Upgradation of Nongpa Umdan Road 20 km is proposed under NESIDS roads to be funded by MDONER, Government of India, at an estimate amount of approximately 52 crores only. The road is proposed to be of intermediate length, and the item of work proposed includes earthwork, subgrade protection works, construction of CC drain and pipe culvert, pavement works and road safety. In March 2024 itself, the Ministry of Donor had prioritized the 20 km stretch of the Nongpa Umdan Road in their budget allocation, the project was delayed due to ensuing MP election and model code of conduct. The detailed project report, DPR, is under preparation and will be sent to the planning department by the end of this month. Subsequently, the planning department will forward it to the Ministry of Donor through NEC Secretariat for necessary action. Further, extension from Umdan to Banian, its surrounding villages along the road is approximately 39 kilometers in length, have also been proposed under PMGSY 3 with an estimate amount of 50.95. The proposal has already been uploaded onto online management monitoring and accounting system OMN MAS of PMGSY. The meeting and power committee under Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India for sanctioning of the scheme is likely to be held shortly. These two projects will be positively taken up within this year 2024. KK Mawa, Secretary Piludi, Government of India.
Hello.
Chăn